Welcome. In today's guide, I'll be walking you through how to create a brand new Roblox account directly from the Roblox app on your PC. This is based on the latest update, and I'll keep the process simple so you can follow along step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Roblox app on your PC. Once the app launches, you'll see the main screen where you'll have the option to either log in or get started. Since we're creating a new account, go ahead and click on Create Account. Now, you'll be taken to a registration page. This is where you'll fill in your personal details to set up your new Roblox profile. The first field you'll need to complete is your birthday. Make sure to enter it correctly, as Roblox uses this to adjust safety and account settings depending on your age. Next, you'll be asked to create a username. This will be the name that other players see while you're in games, so choose something fun, unique, and easy to remember. If the username you want is already taken, Roblox will let you know, and you can try something slightly different until you find one that's available. After choosing your username, it's time to set up your password. Pick a strong and secure password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols will keep your account safe. You'll also see an option to select your gender. While this step is optional, you can choose to enter it if you'd like to personalize your account a bit more. Once you've filled in all the fields, your birthday, username, password, and gender, the final step is to click on the big Create Account button at the bottom of the screen. Just like that, your brand new Roblox account is ready. You can now explore millions of games, customize your avatar, and start playing with friends on the Roblox platform. That's how easy it is to create an account on the Roblox app for PC. Now you're all set to dive into the Roblox world and enjoy everything it has to offer.